Hey everyone, this is Caitlin with Mumba, and today I'm going to be unboxing the new metal strap we have here for the 38mm Apple Watch. This strap will fit every series of Apple Watch there is currently, the Series 1, Series 2, and 3. And it also will work with the Nike editions or the Hermes case. We'll go ahead and open this up real quick. And we have the pink one. This comes in two colors, black and pink, and as you can see, it's 100% stainless steel, very sleek, very cool. I'm actually really excited about this particular watch band. So I found the easiest way to install this is to remove one of these little, magnetic tabs. This magnet is super strong, as you can see. So take one of these off, have the magnetic part facing up, and we'll go ahead and slide these in here and attach this piece in separately. It's just easier that way. So we'll just go ahead and slide this through. There we go. Easy. 100% stainless steel. It's very lightweight, very, very comfortable on the wrist. This band will prevent damage. If there's a scratch, you wouldn't be able to tell because of how textured it is. It's gender neutral. It's very low price for such a cool design. What you're getting for the price is really, really nice. Okay, so everyone, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, share, comment below. I'll be posting links in the description so you can buy this wristband, or just search Apple Watch by Mumba on Amazon and you'll be able to locate it. Thanks again, guys. This is Caitlin. Have a good day.